అందరికీ నమస్కారం சார். சிரிக்காதீங்க சார், ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன் తెలుగులో பேச. చాలా రోజు అయింది నేను తెలుగు పిక్చర్ చేసి, సో అప్పుడు కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నాను తెలుగు. బట్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ బికాస్ మై ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో విల్ బీ పువర్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఫస్ట్ I should thank Mr. Rajni sir for giving me a wonderful opportunity. For the first time in his lifetime, we are going to give a film on his birthday. So I heard that this is the first time, and so I'm very proud and I'm very happy to hear that. I hope this film will do well, and it should be a very big gift for him, birthday gift this year. ఈ పిక్చర్లో నాకు చాలామంది దొరికారు, బ్రదర్స్ లైక్ జగపతి బాబు, ఎ లెజెండ్ డైరెక్టర్ మిస్టర్ కె విశ్వనాథ్ గారు, నా ఫాదర్ లాగా ఆయన దొరికాడు. మా సిస్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ, సోనాక్షి అండ్ అనుష్క sisters దొరికారు, because they are very very nice. Shooting spot, Anushka is very friendly, Sonakshi also is, but they never met together during the shooting spot. They met only in the functions because their portions are totally different. So her episode is different, her episode is different. So but still they are behaving like a friends. Like that in the shooting spot also everybody behaved and they have cooperated very well with me. ఇంత సేపులో ఒక 6 months లైక్ ఇంత పెద్ద పిక్చర్ చేయడానికి చాలా కష్టం అన్ని అందరికీ తెలుసు. బట్ స్టిల్ వీ ట్రైడ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫినిష్డ్ ఇట్, అండ్ ఐ హోప్ అండ్ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో విల్ అప్రిషియేట్ ద ఫిలిం అండ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ద రిజల్ట్. Every year, like that is, every picture is also like after writing the examinations and waiting for the result, the pictures also like that for us. Even though we have done a lot of films, why for me, for Rajni sir itself, every day he used to ask me, ఇది ఏమైంది, అది ఏమైంది, ఇది బాగుందా, అది ఏం చెప్పారు, ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పారు, సెన్సార్లో ఏం చెప్పారు. So that is every day's life we are facing like that. So I hope God will do the best for us. Thank you very much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రవికుమార్ సార్. ఇంతకుముందు మీరు ఎలాగైతే మాకు అద్భుతమైన ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ సినిమాల్ని అందించారో ఈ సినిమా కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుంది అని మేమందరం 12వ తారీఖు కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉన్నాము. ఇక నెక్స్ట్ రమేష్ ప్రసాద్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము సార్.
I'm extremely happy to be here today. Mr. Rajnikant is a dear friend of mine for many decades. And he remembers our relationship, and as somebody said it is his basic character, humbleness, respecting elders. These are the things that he must be helping him to go further. And Mr. Ravi Kumar is here. He is also, I have known him for many years. He did wonderful films. Similarly, Jagpati Babu, another friend of mine, Ms. Srinivas, they're all here. And with Anushka ji and Sinha ji. So, and Mr. Arvind is also here. Of all the people, Mr. Vishwanath garu kuda unnaru ikkada. I am very happy to be here today. Being a part of the cinema, like my father is, so I am very happy to be here. And I am sure, as Mr. Allu Arvind has said, after seeing the trailer, he is very amazed, and I am also sailing in the same boat. So I'm sure this picture is going to be success, and once again Rajni will remain where he is, and the whole world will enjoy what he has given to us. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you so much, sir. And may we request Mr. Nandu Ahuja to please speak a few words, sir.
Eros, Mr. Kishore Lula and Mr. Sunil Lula are very delighted to be associated with Linga, with Mr. Venkatesh Rockline, with Mr. K.S. Ravi Kumar, Sonakshi and Anuksha. I hope the film goes on to be a big blockbuster. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And may we request one of the beautiful ladies to please speak a few words. Anushka, to please speak.
అందరికి నమస్కారం అండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రాక్లైన్ వెంకటేష్ గారు, కేఎస్ రవికుమార్ గారు, అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్రూ ఆఫ్ లింగా ఫస్ట్ నన్ను ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో తీసుకురావడానికి థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అండ్ Ratnavel, the whole crew, I just want to thank the whole crew because మన షూటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు దట్స్ వన్ థింగ్, అందరూ చాలా కష్టపడి అండ్ చాలా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీగా చాలా కష్టపడి ఒక మంచి ఫిలిం చేయాలి. అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ విత్ ది లవ్ ఫర్ రజనీకాంత్ గారు చాలా చాలా we've all worked very hard and we have an awesome project in hand. కేఎస్ రవికుమార్ గారి గురించి చెప్పాలంటే అందరూ చెప్పారు, such a wonderful director, and I haven't seen ippudvaraku actually haven't worked with someone who's so quick. I don't know, I think we should ask him what that secret is because mana shooting such a mana project చూస్తున్నప్పుడు teaser చూస్తున్నప్పుడు if you see the scale on which the film is shot and the number of days it was shot in is amazing. And Ratnavel garu and andru cheppinattu when we were shooting we didn't have the best of weather conditions andi, and the focus, dedication at the same time andru comfortable ga pettukoni he's shot this film. I want to thank him for that. And Sonakshi garu, it's even though it's your first film, it somehow doesn't feel like it's your first film here for us. I don't know, already it feels after our audio release in Chennai, it already feels like you're so much a part of us. So hope to see a lot more of you here. And I want to thank actually K. Vishwanath garu and films anu choose. I saw a few films of his, but appudi nunchi so always feel that eppudu Vishwanath garu work cheyadam we never got an opportunity. I feel that whole generation really we missed out on that. We came in quite late, so I'm complain chestha untanu, but thank you so much, such a pleasure actually even sharing screen space with him. And Rajinikanth garu, andru cheppinattu it's such a wonderful human being, and Vishwanath garu chepparu there's so much to learn from him. And prati rozki there's something new that he shows us that we feel that oh we're just a beginner, we're just so much more we have to go ahead and learn. And thank you so much actually Linga, it's an experience other than just the movie. It was a great experience working with him, and it was a journey. Thank you. And last but not least, Jagpati Babu garu. I said actually in fact if చెప్తుంటే ఇట్ మైట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఊరికే ఆడియో రిలీజ్ కోసం చెప్తున్నట్టు ఉంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ జెన్యున్లీ ఈచ్ పర్సన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు ఫ్రమ్ సోనాక్షి టు రాక్లైన్ వెంకటేష్ గారు టు కేఎస్ రవికుమార్ గారు, రజనీకాంత్ గారు, రత్నవేల్, Jagpati Babu garu, everyone is such, they're all such wonderful human beings. You know, all of us know them as actors and everything, but they're all such wonderful human beings. So I think it's like a bonus to be part of a great movie and also share a journey with such lovely people. So thank you so much.
You are a wonderful human being too, and because of you so many human beings are happy. Anushka, thank you so much for being here. May we please request Sonakshi to please speak a few words.
Not again. Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming. Being on stage with such wonderful people, sometimes I can't believe my luck. I'd like to thank Venkatesh sir, KSR sir, Rajni sir for giving me this opportunity. I think, you know, it's a dream for any actress to be sharing screen space with Rajni sir, and that happened to me in my first Tamil Telugu film, and I think that has assured a kind of acceptance which I can feel when I meet people, you know, in Chennai, here in Hyderabad. They've just opened their arms to me like this, and I feel truly fortunate. So thank you all so much. Also, I want to specially thank Kumar sir, who has helped me very, very much with the language, speaking. So I don't speak Tamil, Telugu at all. I don't even understand it. But they made it so simple for me. And KSR sir is very happy with the. I hope that if I achieve even 0.5% of what he's done, I would truly consider myself successful. Thank you so much for giving me Linga, everybody. Thank you.